Oh, this is no, sorry, this is 2023. What am I looking at? March. Yeah, actually, there was a drop in the market here. Right here, March. Boom. So this is probably why it lost money at the beginning. Let's see. Let's overlay this with the VIX again. Would the VIX have protected us? March 2023. VIX level is 13, and it spiked here only to like 18, though. It didn't spike that much, so it would not have saved us from that one. It might have saved us from this one here. This spiked to 23, so it might have protected us from this thing right here. There's a couple of big spikes throughout. It definitely would have saved our asses right here. This would have been a very good time to get out. Prevented that big drop, and then the VIX levels came back down around here. So we would have prevented this big loss. So that would have been very good. Welcome back. There we go. This strategy is actually up now. Alan, your strategy is not doing so hot. Look at this. It dropped. It's only 2% in. It's almost at a zero. That counts almost at zero after 2% of trading. So I don't know about that strategy. I can share it with you if you want to mess around with it. So here is share. Oh, I could only share to marketplace. I don't know where the shared thing went. So here is the VIX. I'm going to hit back test. Let's see how it does with the VIX. So this one's been going. We kind of get the gist of it, I think. We haven't finished this yet, but we can't run 2 back tests at a time. So I'm going to stop this one, and I'm going to run the newer one with the newer version with the VIX check. We'll see how this one does. Oh, boom, run back test. Let's get a result. I think this will be a much more interesting strategy to run. We'll give it a little bit of time here. We're actually over time for our session for today, but I can't help it. This is something that's super interesting. You know, this is if this works out well, this I think could be a very, very good strategy. I'm very interested to see how this turns out. We usually allocate an hour. We're a bit over time right now, but we could watch this thing basically trade. Yeah, Alan, I don't think this is a good strategy here. I think it's probably trading too much. Is my guess, and I think probably the fact that it's buying put options is not very good either. So I think there's a lot that room to be desired here for this strategy, the 0 DTE or the 1 DTE strategy.